Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Bird Strike Decals is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home and the local ecosystem. These simple yet effective tools can significantly reduce the risk of birds colliding with your windows, preventing injury and death. In this video, we'll explore the top decals available, helping you choose the perfect solution to protect our feathered friends and keep your windows safe. Number 5. WindowAlert Leaf Medley Bird Collision Decals. Are you concerned about birds flying into your windows? These decals are designed to help. They act as a deterrent, preventing birds from colliding with glass. The secret is the special reflective material. It reflects ultraviolet sunlight, creating a glowing warning sign that birds can see. To us, it looks like frosted glass. Each pack includes 5 semi-transparent leaf medley decals. You can choose from a range of designs to match your home decor. They are sized at 2.5 to 3.5 inches across. These static cling decals are easy to apply. Make sure the glass surface is clean before applying them to the exterior. It's a simple way to protect the birds you love. WindowAlert is the trusted name in bird strike prevention. They pioneered these ultraviolet window decals back in 2003 in Oregon. This product is proudly made in the USA. What we like. This decal uses UV reflective technology, making it a glowing warning sign for birds. It appears as frosted glass to humans. If you're looking for a discreet yet effective solution that blends seamlessly with your decor, this is a great choice. The fact that it's made in the USA adds to its appeal. What people say. They are slightly larger than a quarter coin and went on easy enough. These work very well to keep birds from running into glass windows. These have been on our windows for 5 days and we've had no bird strikes. I ordered 2 sets of the leaf patterns. They look nice and don't obscure our view. Number 4. Anti-collision bird stickers decals for glass door. These anti-collision bird stickers are designed to prevent birds from hitting your windows. Made of PVC, they effectively protect your feathered friends from accidents. Installation is simple. Just peel off the backing and stick it onto your window or door. It's that easy. These stickers are made of durable PVC material. They are designed to last and withstand the elements, ensuring long-term protection for your windows and the birds. For best results, apply the decals to the outside of the window. If that's not possible, you can apply them inside, though the effectiveness might be slightly reduced. These stickers help reduce bird accidents and prevent window breakage. They are a simple yet effective solution for protecting both birds and your windows. The stickers feature a long-lasting self-adhesive backing. They are suitable for smooth glass surfaces, ensuring they stay in place and provide continuous protection. What we like. This product is made of PVC material and is super easy to install, just peel and stick. If you need a simple, no-fuss solution to protect your windows, this is ideal. Its clear design ensures it won't obstruct your view, making it perfect for any home. What people say. After applying these anti-collision decals to a few key windows, the problem completely stopped. They were easy to apply, stick well, and look decorative without blocking or distracting from the view inside the house. Easy to use and love the different designs. Just wished they were different in size. But it is doing its job. We had no more birds hit our window and I like the overall look. Number 3. Whaline 24 PCS Butterfly Window Clings. These beautiful butterfly clings are designed to prevent bird strikes. The package includes 24 pieces, perfect for decorating your home and keeping birds safe. The clings come in 12 different designs and multiple sizes, ranging from 2 to 6 inches. This variety makes them look more vivid and eye-catching. The butterfly patterns are printed on both sides. This allows the vibrant colors and patterns to be seen clearly from both inside and outside. Made from durable PVC material, these clings are easy to apply and remove. You can even reuse them. Simply spray some water on the window before applying for a stronger hold. These clings can be applied to most smooth surfaces, such as glass doors, windows, and mirrors. They are also great for preventing bird strikes. What we like. With double-sided printing, the design is visible from both inside and outside. If you want a vibrant and eye-catching solution, this is perfect. You can also reuse them, making them a great value. What people say. Haven't heard him smack the window since. They work great and stay in the windows, even outside. They can be removed without damaging the sticker, or glass, and can be reused or repositioned. I also like that the sticker looks good from both sides of the glass. Number 2. EACILLES Hummingbird Window Clings, Anti-Collision Decals. Are you worried about birds flying into your windows? These decals are designed to alert birds and prevent collisions. They are perfect for both home and office use. These decals not only protect birds but also create beautiful rainbows. Made with premium translucent prismatic vinyl, it captures sunlight and transforms it into amazing colors in your room. The decals feature a hummingbird style, with 5 different designs, and 4 pieces of each. You'll receive a total of 20 pieces, each about 7 inches in size. Instructions are included for easy application. These window clings use static to adhere to the glass, so there's no adhesive and they're movable and reusable. Remember to peel off the transparent backing film and spray some water on the glass before applying, otherwise, it won't stick. These decals are originally designed by EACILLES. They are a great way to protect birds while adding a touch of beauty to your windows. Get yours today. What we like. This decal creates rainbows with sunlight. If you want to add a touch of beauty to your windows while protecting birds, it's a great choice. The hummingbird design is also very attractive. What people say. Although I used 2 other styles along with this one, I have had a 95% success rate in preventing window bird strikes. In addition to being useful, they are also quite pretty, especially when the sun shines through the prisms. So far no birds hitting the windows. Easy to put on outside of window. Other than standing on ladder cleaning the window first. Love the rainbow effect in the house. Number 1. Mandala window decals for bird strike prevention. These decals capture the sun's rays and transform them into beautiful rainbows throughout your room. They come in a pack of 6, with sizes ranging from 5.3 to 8.2 inches. These window decals act as a bird strike deterrent, preventing birds from colliding with your glass doors. This helps protect birds from injury. They come in various sizes and shapes, allowing you to create a unique window display. Simply apply them to clean, smooth glass surfaces like doors and windows. Made from high-quality materials, these clings attach firmly to the window and peel off easily. You can remove them without leaving any sticky residue behind. Help birds, and they will love you. If you have any questions or are not completely satisfied, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This product creates beautiful rainbow prisms. If you like a product that is easy to remove and leaves no residue, you should consider this. It's a great way to protect birds while adding a touch of magic to your home. What people say. Haven't had any bird strikes that I know of since putting them up. They cast little rainbows around the room when the sun hits them, which is really cool. When the sun shines on these mandalas, the refracted light sparkles and helps the bird to see there's something in its path. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.